This is a USB 2.0 wireless adapter. It is mainly used when a computer does not have Wi-Fi. Let's see how to install this Wi-Fi adapter in Windows 7. First, plug it into the USB port of the PC. Now go to your PC. If the PC does not show Wi-Fi, then you must download and install its driver. If you do not have Wi-Fi at home, then plug the adapter into a Wi-Fi connected PC. If you have Wi-Fi, then connect an Ethernet cable from the router to your PC. After connecting, your PC will be connected to Wi-Fi. Now open your internet browser. Search for driver pack Windows. Enter the first site. Now download it. After downloading, click on it. Click on Run. Click on it. Click Yes. Click on Open Expert Mode. And tick all unnecessary drivers from here. Tick only your driver device. Click on Install All. The driver is now installing. Restart your PC after installation. After restarting, your Wi-Fi driver will work. Now you can connect your PC to Wi-Fi. Now the PC is connected to the Wi-Fi. This is how you can install USB 2.0 802.11n Wi-Fi driver in Windows 7.